Jack, I'm really bored.
Me too!
I want to go outside, but it's raining.
We should still go outside, but figure out something awesome to do.
Dude, this totally sucks.
Nuh-uh, this is awesome. Am I right?
Dude, let's go back inside.
Yeah, okay, I guess.
Dude, you locked it.
Dude, you told me to.
Dude, what are we gonna do now?
I don't know.
Oh, hey, there's a ball. This totally sucks.
Wait, look at that. Dude, Levi, we can try and crawl in through this window.
I'll try first, alright, Jack? Oh. I can't fit in here. You try.
Okay. Oh god, I'm too fat! Ah! Hey, we might have to sleep in this storage closet for a night, just, stuff like that. Yeah, this'll work.
Alright, let's just stay in here for a while.
It's pretty comfortable. There's a camping pillow. Oh, that was the worst time of my life. We must have been in there for days.
Dude, we were only in there for 2 minutes. You played it in fast motion.
Shut up.
Heck me.
Dude, I'm starving.
Me too.
Well, that was quite satisfactory.
Now how do we get in?
What if I use this common household skateboard to break open this window?
Wait! Dude, your mom's gonna kill us.
What if I use this suitcase instead?
Dude, where are you getting all this crap?
Well, I could always use these keys to break it.
Wait, you had those keys the whole time? Give them to me.
Whoa!
Wait a minute, you two idiots were trapped outside all day? That's hilarious!
Wait, Mom, you were inside this whole time?
You two are really stupid.
It's kind of raining out there.